Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we bring you a tale from a quiet village where lessons about hard work and self-reliance unfold amidst the golden fields. Let's dive into the story of a mother sparrow and her chicks. In a lush village field, a sparrow had painstakingly built her nest and laid 2 precious eggs. As the crops swayed gently around her, she nurtured her soon-to-hatch chicks.
What happened, children? Why are you scared?
Mother, today the farmer said his son will come tomorrow to harvest the crop. What will we do? We haven't even learned to fly yet.
Don't worry, children. No one will come to harvest the crop tomorrow.
And indeed, the next day came and went, but no one disturbed the nest.
Mother, the farmer came again. This time he said he will send laborers tomorrow to cut the crop.
Don't worry, children. No one will come tomorrow.
As before, the sparrow's assurance held true. Days passed, and their little home remained untouched.
Mother, today the farmer came again. He was talking about cutting the crop himself tomorrow.
Tell me the whole sentence.
He said he has wasted a lot of time depending on others. Now he will come himself tomorrow to cut the crop.
Children, now we must leave this place as soon as possible and make our nest somewhere else because the farmer will definitely come to cut the crop tomorrow.
The chicks, now capable of flying, quickly left their nest under the guidance of their wise mother. They found a new home far from the looming threat. True to the sparrow's prediction, the very next day, the farmer arrived early in the morning and began to harvest the crop. This tale reminds us of the importance of independence. While it's fine to seek help, relying too much on others can delay our goals. Completing our tasks ourselves not only ensures they're done on time, but also builds self-respect. Thank you for watching. Remember, like the sparrow and her chicks, sometimes we must take flight and handle matters with our own wings. Subscribe for more stories, and until next time, keep soaring high. Thank you.